Hi, good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, can you please tell me about your last job?
Uh, I've been working in a Swedish family for almost 9 years, and now they cancel my visa because they told me they don't need me anymore because there is another one Filipino lady, and the kids they're growing up already. So they told me that I will find another job.
Okay, so you've been there for 9 years.
Almost 9 years.
And how many members in the family that you're taking good care of?
There the whole family is six, four kids, four girls, and the couples.
Okay, and how old are their children?
Now is 14, 12, 10, and 7.
Okay, so we already mentioned the reason why they already canceled your visa, right?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay, so since you're looking for a new employer because of that reason, so what would be the minimum salary you'd ask this time?
2000.
Okay, and what do you like to do most in the house? Cleaning, cooking, or babysitting?
I like babysitting.
Babysitting. Okay, and what type of food can you cook?
I like lasagna, bolognese. Yes, pasta.
Great. So, in babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
You need to get the temperature, ma'am. And then if the baby is like always crying, you need to check the temperature.
So, how do you try to get the baby to finish eating his or her food?
Just give her like barf if a baby, and then just continue it to give the milk. Anyway, just convince them like you talk nicely to them. Yeah, give them a funny tricks.
All right. So, what is your hobby?
Singing and some cleaning the house.
Okay. And so you've been here like for almost 9 years. And how many
Yes.
more years you want to work here?
If I still somebody want me to work, then I want to continue more.
Okay, good. So, do you think you will be a good helper to your new employer and why?
Yes, and I will. I want to be for them and uh, work hard.
Okay, well, it's all right. I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.